Again to Proinkshop. I have this is March 12, 2025. I have a printer here, HP officejet Pro 6978. The cartridge number 902. Customer brought this today, and I test the print page and showed black. It's okay, but no yellow, no cyan as well. So take the cartridge out, and then I'm gonna see if I can clean the printhead first. Some paper towel underneath of the printhead and slide the printhead to the left, right underneath of the printhead. Because I'm putting the paper towel underneath the printhead because I'm not shooting some cleaning solutions. Okay, so I need to have proper size of injection tips. It's like this. I do have a black one. And my syringe. Like this. So I'm gonna put some ink out. The red was okay, so I'm shooting some clean solution to yellow. And the magenta. Bring out the liquid. I'm gonna move it over. I'm gonna take the paper towel out. See, in the black. Feel like little ink out from this color, so I'm gonna refill the cartridge. Give me a second. Okay, put the cartridge back in and do it. Clean. It took a little while, so I'm gonna pause the video. Bringing out the test page. Okay. Red came back and yellow came back. Suddenly, oh no, cyan. Did it come back? Did I flush some cyan? No?
뭐 하시는 거예요?
Maybe one more time. All right. Okay. Here you go. All the color came back. Cyan, blue, yellow. Cause the light green and the orange colors are based on the yellow, so the yellows came back. All black came back. All right, so it's done. That's how you clean your printhead. Okay. If you need to buy the tools and anything, visit my website or text me 909-815-6681. Thank you.